So you need HSK3 listening practice, right? But you want something a little more fun than those boring books? Well, I got Mandarin companion leveled readers here with me. So what you're gonna do is grab the audio version and get this book so that you can read these interesting stories, reinforcing all of your HSK3 vocabulary. It really doesn't get any easier than that. By the way, my name's Kwadwo. I teach you the everyday Chinese that you need to communicate what you want here in China. And if you want more content from me and my channel, consider subscribing. Also, links to these books and their audio versions, which you'll need, are in the descriptions below. I don't know if you knew this, but Amazon's Audible has a free 30-day trial for audiobooks, and in there you can get these ones. If you don't know what graded Chinese readers are, they limit the amount of characters in their interesting story. So if you're a beginner, then you can read stories that are at your level, which means you understand most of the characters so that new vocabulary is easier to remember. Because one problem for me when I took HSK lessons way back in the day was that the material is kind of boring. I mean, you've seen those HSK books, they ain't fun. This kind of book has interesting stories. Emma, The Secret Garden, The Monkey's Paw, Country of the Blind, The Ransom of Red Chief. So you, one, can build your reading fluency up. Two, you can start to see and understand grammar naturally because it's in a context that you understand the most of since it's at your reading level. Again, these are for HSK 3 aspirational learners, meaning if you're HSK 2, not quite there yet, this is the right kind of book for you. And what I like is whenever they repeat a key word, they put a number under it. They're reminding you that you already learned this. Go back and find it, look at the meaning, and then come back and keep reading. That's powerful. If you want more information about this book, tap or click the screen right there for a review of Mandarin companion readers. And if you want another video from me at Elementary Chinese, tap or click the screen down there. My name's Kwadwo, teaching you the everyday Chinese you need to communicate what you want. Good study, day up.